Ready to hit the road and start earning in Canada with Uber. This is your ultimate guide to mastering the Uber Driver app. First things first, download the Uber Driver app from your device's app store. Once installed, open it up. You'll be prompted to log in with your Uber account credentials. If you're brand new, you'll need to complete the driver onboarding process, which includes uploading required documents like your driver's license, vehicle registration, and insurance. Make sure everything is current and valid for Canadian driving. Once logged in, you'll see the home screen. The most important button is the Go button. When you want to start accepting rides, simply tap Go. The app will then show you that you're online and ready. You'll see a map displaying your current location and any potential pickups nearby. When a ride request comes in, you'll hear a distinct sound and see a notification on your screen. This notification will show you the pickup location, the destination, an estimated fare, and the passenger's rating. You'll have a few seconds to either accept or decline the ride. To accept, just tap the Accept button before the timer runs out. After accepting a ride, the app will immediately switch to navigation mode. It will direct you to the pickup location. You can choose your preferred navigation provider, Google Maps, Waze, or Apple Maps. In the app settings, follow the displayed route, keeping an eye on real-time traffic updates to ensure you reach your passenger efficiently. Once you've picked up your passenger, confirm their name with them and then tap the Start Trip button on the app. This officially begins the ride and continues the navigation to their destination. During the trip, you can see the remaining distance and estimated arrival time. When you arrive at the destination, tap the End Trip button. The app will then show you the final fare for the trip. Passengers can tip you through the app, and you'll see any tips added to your earnings. Your completed trips and earnings are all tracked within the app. To manage your earnings, navigate to the Earnings tab here. You can view your daily, weekly, and monthly income. You can also see a breakdown of your trips, including any promotions and bonuses you've earned. Uber typically deposits your earnings weekly directly into your linked bank account. It's crucial to stay informed about Canadian rideshare regulations, which can vary by province and city. This includes ensuring your vehicle meets local requirements, such as inspections, and being aware of any municipal licensing or permit needs. Check your provincial government's website and Uber's local guidelines for the most up-to-date information. Remember to always drive safely and provide excellent customer service. You can also find important settings and features like accessing support and managing your vehicle information within the app's menu. Happy driving!